Hey guys, Kevin Bopp here, and in this video we're going to talk about what you should know if you're considering investing in mobile home parks. Now, mobile home parks have become the darling of private equity over the past few years, and rightfully so. The simple, powerful supply and demand imbalance provides a compelling investment thesis, which is what attracted me to this space nearly a decade ago. In 2018, Blackstone made its first bet on manufactured housing when it acquired 14 communities for about $172 million. And Blackstone isn't the first institutional investor to dive into this niche. Apollo Global Management owns a majority of stake of Inspired Communities, and the Carlyle Group owns several thousand manufactured housing lots. So why mobile home parks? Well, as a co-founder and managing principal of Sunrise Capital Investors, which is a housing investment company that specializes in mobile home park investing, I've outlined 10 reasons why I believe that any investor could benefit from expanding their portfolio to include mobile home parks. Reason number one is the strong and increasing demand. Now, as middle and lower class families continue to be pressured financially, growing demand for inexpensive housing makes mobile home parks an attractive housing option for those who are unable to pay the cost of conventional homes. Reason number two, artificially constrained supply. Now, through my time in this field, I found that due to increasingly burdensome zoning regulations, few mobile home parks are being built. And these government regulations artificially constrain the supply of new mobile home parks coming into the space. Now, in addition, profit margins for mobile home park developers are often inferior to those in the apartment industry. Reason number three, more control of rent prices. Now, the high and largely inelastic demand for affordable housing provides significant pricing power in the marketplace. Reason number four, outsized same-store net operating income growth. Now, the fundamentals of mobile home parks remain strong and are expected to grow until at least 2022. Reason number five is stable cash flow. Now, acquiring positively cash flowing mobile home parks with further upside provides buyers with a solid margin of safety. The stable cash flow generated by mobile home parks reduces overall investor risk. Reason number six, access to exclusive off-market deals. Now, through a private equity fund, investors can participate in purchasing at a steep discount to the prices one must pay to own mobile home parks through a publicly traded real estate investment trust. These deals are often purchased directly from owners who have not maximized the net operating income of their investment. The acquisitions are negotiated based on the current net operating income, which can often be increased shortly after closing on the property. Reason number seven, the higher yields. Now, I found that mobile home parks typically trade at higher yields than most other commercial real estate assets. Furthermore, many small operators have not maximized the value of their respective communities, so there might be also some value add potential as well. Now, the goal for a new private equity entrant into this space should be to aggregate communities from smaller operators and then implement professional business systems to increase both cash flow and equity, thus ultimately resulting in higher yields. Reason number eight is the low tenant turnover. Now, throughout my time investing in this space, I've also observed that in most cases, once a mobile home is moved into a park, that home will stay for a very long time, often 20, 30 plus years. Often, if a resident wants to move, they simply sell the home, which gains you a new tenant. Reason number nine is the accelerated depreciation time frame. Now, mobile home parks are very tax efficient. Much of the purchase price can be allocated to capital improvements, i.e. roads, underground utilities, etc. These items are depreciated over an accelerated 15-year time frame versus that of a standard 27.5 years for residential real estate or 30 years for commercial real estate. And also, recent updates to the tax code further expedite the process through favorable language regarding bonus depreciation. Reason number 10. Mobile home parks are recession resistant. Now, mobile home parks outperformed other real estate sectors during the most recent recession. Demand for the product of affordable housing actually increases as the economy tightens. The unique favorable economics of mobile home parks produce superior risk-adjusted returns for investors. Now, with large private equity firms now seeing the merits of the mobile home park investing space, is there still an opportunity for you to consider this as an investment niche? Absolutely. Now, in time, I believe that the more sophisticated investors will certainly jump into the space, and the question is, will you? So with that, guys, that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you watching. I hope it brought a lot of value to you in your business. If it did, please like it. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. You take care.